Let's also listen at what the Oil and Petroleum Minister, Dr. Hardeep Singh Puri, had to say on the matter and the overall volatility that we are seeing in the crude prices.
India will handle it with maturity. I mean, the Indian statement, the Honorable Prime Minister's statement is very clear. I'm not going to go into the security and other issues. Insofar as energy is concerned, let us be absolutely clear that the place where the action is taking place is in many respects, the center of the global energy this thing. Okay. So we'll watch very carefully, and I think as we go along, we will navigate our way through this. There's no issue, but I was merely making a point that these kind of uncertainties only encourage people to move into sustainable, cleaner fuels, and I cited the Global Biofuels Alliance as an example. Today, the world that you are facing is not a world which is characterized by shortage of crude oil. I mean, the amount of crude oil that is required to sustain the current levels of consumption, which is about 100 or 102, that is available. But some 5 million barrels a day has been taken off the market through off-cut. So that is the issue. Now, exactly, I said it's sovereign choice. We respect those who decide how much this thing. But equally, when we have to exercise our choice, we'll make the transition quicker.
Okay, so that's a word coming from the oil minister. India is going to handle the situation very diplomatically and watching very closely as to how it develops. But for now, we are slipping into a very short break with